Hello everyone, I'm Wolfgang Gray with Gray's Horizons. I hope you're doing well. My channel is new, so if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and by all means leave a comment. The AI revolution isn't going to replace everyone. It's going to crown a new elite, quietly. And by the time you notice, they're already a year ahead. We were sold a fairy tale. Give everyone AI and the playing field levels. That's the lie. Access is not competence. In the real world, tools don't close gaps, they magnify them. Averages hide asymmetries. Productivity gains sound democratic. Distribution decides who wins. So what actually separates dabbling from dominance? A shallower user asks for answers. A deep user designs systems. They chain prompts. They build tiny internal tools. They wire AI into notes, code, email, calendar. They don't use AI. They integrate it like a second cortex. Same tool, two outcomes. One gets cosmetics, the other gets a 10 times execution loop. Research, plan, build, test, iterate before lunch. Forget national GDP for a moment. Look at your zip code. Here's how the curve flips. Low performer plus AI is still a low performer, just faster mistakes. Average plus AI is average, just shinier. High performer with AI mastery becomes an outlier, the person who laps the field. When the super users compound cycles, inequality inside a country outruns inequality between countries. The race stops being fair at the workflow level. And that sets up the danger most people don't see. High performers who could break into the top 1% think the race is still about raw skill. It isn't. Their rivals are stacking memory, tools, and automation like compound interest. 1 month of super user cycles can look like a year to everyone else. By the time you notice, the gap measures in years, not weeks. Let that sink in. You don't just have to compare New York to Nairobi. Compare you to your neighbor. Same street, same laptop, same morning coffee. One of you is dabbling. The other is building repeatable systems. Prompts with memory. Checklists with agents. Data that talks to code. They out-research, out-ship, out-sell from the kitchen table. The divide is intimate, local, and visible until it's permanent. Now, the turn. If you're the average person, there's good news. AI is accessible right now. There's still time, but you need a plan you can run today. Start simple, just 3 rules. 1 habit, 1 30-day sprint. First, cycles, not hours. Work in 3 passes, draft, critique, improve. Ask the model to attack your output, then fix it. Save the best prompts. Name them, reuse them. Second, templates beat talent on bad days. Build a prompt library. Keep variables like goal, tone, constraints, audience. Tag by job. Email, outreach, research, analysis, code. Reuse beats, reinvention. Third, integrate slowly, deliberately. Pick one workflow that matters, not 10. Wire AI into the tools you already use. Notes, calendar, docs, inbox. 1 keystroke should trigger your chain. Draft critiques, finalize. 1 habit, 30 minutes daily. No 0 days, real tasks only. Invoices, briefs, proposals, lesson plans, reports. Run 3 cycles, ship something, archive your winning prompts and examples. If it didn't ship, the cycle didn't count. 1 sprint, 30 days. Week 1, list your top 3 tasks. Time the manual version. Week 2, turn each into a 2-prompt chain. Cut time to first draft in half. Week 3, add a short project brief. The AI reads before every run. That's your memory. Week 4, build 1 micro tool, a button, macro or script that performs your chain on command. Track only 2 numbers. Cycles per day go up, time to ship goes down. If those move, you're compounding. That's how an average person becomes hard to catch. And now we're back to power. AI will not make the world fair by default. Depth of use decides the winners. The window is open now. Start the on-ramp. Stack cycles, build your library. Wait, and you donate your future to your neighbor. Choose mastery. I'll see you in the next one.